All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive Lesson 51, Capital G. Comparing a capital G in printing to a capital G in cursive, we see they don't look very much alike. However, if you think about what we just did with a capital S in cursive, you will notice some similarities. When writing a capital G, it begins just like a capital S. It has a 2-space undercurve with the loop over. The next part is where it's different. It takes a detour. If you remember when we learned a lowercase I said that a lowercase r kind of took a detour and then finished. Well, the same is true with a capital G. We make the beginning of an S and take a detour. This detour ends with a point, and then we make our J again and end with a smile, our printed J. And so we have the over and then the detour, make a J and the smile. It's like the capital S stopped, moved over, and then finished. And those are our strokes for our capital G. Please prepare yourself to complete your capital G page by clearing your desk, slanting your paper, sitting up straight, and writing your name neatly at the top of the page. When you look at our model of a capital G, we see that it begins with a long undercurve, goes over at the top, goes up to a point, down with a slant line, backwards undercurve, ends with a smile. So we begin at the baseline, turn at the headline, and have a capital G. You don't want to make your capital G come out too round here. You want it to come down straight. Your loop and your point in a J shape and a smile. After you've used the training wheel letters to train your hand on the proper strokes, go on to the next line and try the capital G for yourself. Curve, detour, and finish. A capital G does not connect, and so we can just compare our capital G to our lowercase g and notice how very different they are. Many names begin with a capital G. We're going to try out George and Gabby, Gandhi, Gloria, Guang, and Guthrie. If your name starts with G, feel free to replace one of these with your name to practice it in cursive. And there we have the capital G's.